You see, the fence get up, then stand. Can you see stand? A little stand. Okay, you see his hand. Don't use the hand. Don't use the hand to like this. Just use the hand to hold it. 来，手抄着它，哎，to hold it. 走 ，OK， 走。OK， 走。You see, the beginning is very important. The wire like this. Later I will show you more. We weave more and show you. Please hold it. Don't move. So this will be in the same position. Then it roll together. You see here, my meaning is the belt is at this position, the wheel at this position. Please don't at here. Here is wrong. Between the belt and the wheel, there should have one opening. Understand? Belt, opening, wheel. Like this. Belt, opening, and wheel. So when the wire gets down, the fence wire will stand, half stand. It's not lay. It's a little stand.